Well, almost everyone is back to work or school in some type of form or fashion, even if it's remotely.
Yes, and we're all getting hungry during the day. So nutritionist and author Dana White is joining us now with 5 satisfying and healthy snacks that you can eat that really actually will be guilt-free and power you through your day. Hi, Dana.
Hey guys, how you doing?
We are hungry, both of us.
I need a healthy snack.
You need a snack. You need a snack. And you know what? Whether you're at the office or at home in front of a computer, you get hungry, right? And you want the snacks to be satisfying so that you're not leaving your desk again to run back and get some more.
Absolutely. So what do you got there?
Yeah. So I got a couple things here to share. So first is about the container. These, if you're trying to reduce some waste and you don't want to use all those plastic bags, I really like these bags. There's different brands. There's Zip Top, there's Stasher, and they're reusable and washable and dishwasher safe. So you can pack your snacks in a more environmentally safe way, which I love.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Great for the kiddos too.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's fun. They come in different colors and things like that. All right. So next up, these little bento boxes, we use them for meal prep and for lunches all the time, but they're also really good for snacks. So I like to, pre-pack these maybe the night before. You can practice good portion control. This is enough for more than one person, I would say. But this way you can kind of, organize your different snacks. So I have cheese and crackers and grapes and tomatoes today, but you could do hummus. You could switch up your dippers. But it's just a way to prep ahead and also practice some portion control.
Kara loves the bento boxes.
I do. And you know
Absolutely
what?
loves
The
them.
kids who are kind of doing hybrid now, if parents are busy working or out of work, that'd be great to say, just pull out the bento box. And then they're not just digging into wherever, getting whatever junk they have.
Exactly. And for some reason, my kids, once I assemble it like this, they eat way more of it. So I think it's just something about the presentation that gets them more excited about it. And it works for adults too, for sure.
Okay. What's next?
All right. Next up, you're going to get a 2-for-1 on this one. Okay. So this is something, 1.5 ingredients here. I like to take hard-boiled eggs or avocado and just put a little bit of that everything but the bagel seasoning on top of it.
Yeah.
And it makes the most satisfying, delicious snack.
Yes. I was just telling Scott that we need to just keep avocados here in the studio because you can eat them and you're full for like 3 hours afterward.
It is that healthy fat is, and again, fat, we're like, oh no, is that bad? No, this is the type of fat that you want to eat. When we go the hard-boiled egg route, it's that high-quality protein. Either one of them, with a relatively small amount of calories, it'll keep you full for hours.
Okay. That's what I need. I need something.
Yeah, the hard-boiled eggs are great, and you can literally run with them.
I start craving around this hour, Dana, so I'm looking for something that's going to hold me over till dinner.
For sure, because you get up so early and you're busy all day, but if you forget to snack, that's when the wheels fall off at night, right? So you really want to fuel your day, and that also prevents you from overeating later on.
Okay.
So next up, yogurt parfait. All right. But again, this is a great tip if you're spending a little more time at home in your home office. I like to make these parfaits ahead. You really don't have to make it this fancy if you don't want to. But the idea is that I'm always saying that, the plain yogurt is a really healthy option, but you want to add some flavoring to it. So if you are home and you have the luxury of being so close to your kitchen, now's a good time to take plain yogurt and dress it up, right? So the flavored yogurts are good for us too, but I think this maybe is an opportunity. So I have plain Greek yogurt, blueberries, and then I have a high protein cereal. This is a Kashi one. They make granolas now that have a little bit more protein in them. You want to talk about satisfying? I mean, you eat this relatively small portion, you're going to be full all afternoon. So yogurt parfaits are still on trend.
That's great. Yeah, my kids like them too, and they're pretty.
I typically use the flavored yogurts, but I'm trying. I'm trying my best.
Well,
Dana.
and that's better than nothing, right? Even if you get the flavored yogurt and you just throw some hemp seeds or chia seeds on top, I notice I stay full a little longer.
For sure. And adding fruit to it. Yogurt, no matter what, yogurt is good for probiotics for your gut health. And it's also a satisfying snack. What you just want to be careful of if you choose a flavored yogurt, just gravitate towards the ones that have less added sugar. Yeah. A little bit is fine, but some of them are really kind of crazy.
Okay, thanks.
The nicer Greek yogurt brands that aren't so.
Yeah. All right, we got about a minute, Dana.
All right, so speaking of chia seeds, Kara, Again, elevate. So we have a rice cake and peanut butter. Fine. All right. It's nothing really innovative. But what I like to do is add some fruit and some chia seeds to it on top. Again, just to make a little upgrade to make it even more satisfying. So here I have bananas and chia seeds. You could do any sort of fruit that you like. Pomegranate seeds is really fun, but just kind of layer up that rice cake. A rice cake by itself, you're going to be hungry in 5 minutes. If you add these things, you're going to feel great.
That's awesome.
Excellent.
All right. Last up, some hydration, right? So the idea is maybe you're not hungry, maybe you're thirsty. So herbal tea is never a bad idea. A little kombucha, again, for those probiotics. And don't cut me off yet, Scott, because a green drink might actually be a good idea here as well.
We're going to run out of time, but they're all great ideas. I love it. Thank you for the inspiration. Dana, we'll find you on your social media, and you can email us, mail@betterct.com.
Yeah, if you've got a question for Dana, email us at betterct.com, and maybe we'll answer them next week.